Springboard Plus gave me the opportunity to explore options for my new career. I was a scientist in Russia, and then we moved to Ireland and had kids. I had been on career break for 8 years and felt it's time for a fresh start. I had been drawing as a hobby and was wondering if I could turn it into a career. My husband showed me the Springboard Plus website, and I saw there was a level 6 certificate in animation in Pulse College starting in 2 weeks. And because I was returning to education, Springboard Plus would cover all of the fees. The course gave me a strong foundation for building up a really good portfolio. And because the lectures were on evenings and weekends, I could still take care of the kids during the day. I've met lots of amazing people there, and now my classmates and I have been awarded the National Talent Academy grant to make a new cartoon. To anybody who is thinking about taking the Springboard course, I would say just go for it. Springboard Plus gives you skills that work for your career.